Here is how to sum by group in Excel. Now we are going to look at two methods of doing it, using the SUMIF method and using the pivot table method. Suppose we have items and amounts that we want to calculate totals for. I know the unique items that are required. So now to calculate the total, I will insert the formula SUMIF, where I can create the range for the reference, which would be the items list. I can say the criteria needs to be desks, and then what are the range of numbers I'm looking for? I will select that for sum range. And when you click on OK, I get the totals for the desk rows. Let's check it once. 25, 10 and 5, 10 and 10, which is 25. I can drag this formula now to get the total of chairs and appliances in that order. Now, if we are using the pivot table option, we need to go to Insert, select the table that we have, click on Pivot Table. I'm going to allow it to create it in the existing worksheet itself and select a box for the location over here. Click on Go. Now I want the items as well as I want the amounts. And when I do that, I get it directly summed by group.